Hi everybody, this is Shailla. I am in this gorgeous beach called Kingston, I think, in Hobart, and in Tasmania, Australia. And it's very windy, so you can see the waves. There is no sand space left. The plan was to put a table there and a chair and, you know, do some writing on the sand, but it's not happening. There's no sand today, but it's such a gorgeous place, so I'm making a video showing a little bit of this place to all of you. Gonna have a little walk, then we can see it's classic Tasmania, you know, it's everything very quiet, it's very peaceful. This beach is actually busier than I expected. It's quite busy. It's like I'm pointing to the water, just waiting for people to pass behind me, you know. I'm going to stop here and continue a little bit longer video. And then now, just continuing to have a nice, beautiful walk in this gorgeous place. And I'll stop this video here. I just wanted to share a little bit, but I just want to get off the phone and enjoy this beautiful place. If you like it, you know what to do. You share, you subscribe, you like, and I'll see you next time. Everybody, so I'm still here in Kingston, and I found this really lovely, cute place called the Dog Library, where they have all these dogs' toys. This is so cute. I love. It's like a nice sense of community. And look like that. They also, you know, planted like a few trees and, you know, nice things as well. So protected, and this is beautiful, and the sun is coming out now. This is definitely a dog beach. I've seen lots of really lovely dogs around. I have a little walk here to show. This is so beautiful. Oh, there's a nice little bridge there. That is so cute. Okay, I definitely want to cross the bridge, but here you go. This is the total spirit of flow talks, and well, I'm just enjoying the day out today. Probably not gonna turn this into a flow talks. You know, just really, this will go to travel with Shailla and CoolWorldsStuff or CoolWorldsStuff, because it's travel. It's about seeing Tasmania. Tasmania is a very beautiful place. It took me a long time to finally come here. And since I've been here for the first time, I absolutely love it. It's such a beautiful place. The nature is just so luscious, you know. I love it. I love it. Sometimes I feel I could even live here because the nature just makes me so happy. Basically, everywhere you look, it's so beautiful, you know, and that makes you smile. I just show you this bit on this side here as well. And then you can see, and there's a little bridge there. I think I'll go around the bridge. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'll stop here and take a nice photo as well.